To achieve our health and safety commitments of preventing all injuries and occupational ill health conditions, we need to show that we care. We have proved that when we care enough to make unsafe conditions safe, care enough to talk to each other, to listen to each other, and change our unsafe habits to safe habits, zero is possible. Beyond zero is to help us achieve our health and safety commitments. So what does beyond zero mean? We recognise that we can't control all the hazards because unforeseen events do happen, and when they do, we want to make sure that everybody stays safe. The currencies show us that we're not always aware of the hazards around us, and that unsafe behaviours caused by time versus risk pressures or reduced risk perception means that from time to time we're going to be in a place of increased danger. Experience tells us that when this coincides with an uncontrolled event, someone could get seriously injured. Aiming beyond zero provides the solution. It encourages people to look out for each other and help people in alpha state move to a position of safety. And it also reminds us of the importance of making new, safe habits that keep us safe even when we are in alpha state. An example of this is lifting operations. We know that mechanical lifting operations always contains an element of risk. Heavy objects plus gravity equals a potentially dangerous situation. The vast majority of times, the testing and certification of equipment used, and the planning and training of people involved, reduces that danger to its lowest level. However, low isn't zero, and a falling object can still have devastating consequences. Beyond zero means that if a loss of control happens, no one will get hurt. This was the outcome of a lifting operation in 2021, with a lift of a 1,000 kg bundle of reinforcement steel being lifted by a tested and certified excavator using brand new slings slung by a trained and competent person, failed. No one was harmed because the safe behaviours of all involved guaranteed their safety. Their safe habits were, number 1, the slinger signaller made sure the site team knew the lifting operation was about to take place in the area and he created a red zone. Number 2, the site team made sure they all moved to positions of safety outside the red zone. Number 3, the excavator driver made sure everyone was outside of the red zone before beginning the lift. To achieve zero injuries, we need to aim beyond zero. This means designers need to design in buildability, allowing construction teams time to plan and use new technology to keep people out of danger zones. And we all need to have more positive conversations if we spot unsafe behaviours. The 4 currencies are the triggers for all injuries. I Care gives us the tools to understand these and prevent injuries by working together to recognise them and take action. Your engagement is essential to making a difference.